Hello guys, today what we are going to see is MQTT basic concepts and ESP32 integration. There are few points that I have taken from the internet that I have shown, like MQTT, what is the abbreviation and what is PubSub model and what is the authentication may be enabled for the MQTT and peer-to-peer communication is not required, and this is to get some idea about MQTT. That's it. Let me explain how it works. So this is the sample that I have for the explanation. Here you see the heart of the communication will be via MQTT broker, where your MQTT clients will be communicated with each other. So the client can be your mobile phone or another server or your temperature sensor, which can be feed the data to your multiple devices. So the how communication is happening is via topics. Let's say the MQTT client where we have this temperature sensor is actually publishing a value to the topic temperature. It will be published to all the nodes which is actually subscribed to that particular topic. Let's say this temperature topic is subscribed by these two mobile and another server. So whenever you send any message from this temperature, it will be published to all the nodes which is actually subscribed to. That's how the MQTT works. Let us see what are the components required, uh, what are the prerequisites required for the project to be demoed. So this is the Git URL here, and prerequisites would be ESP IDF framework and ESP32 development board and active Wi-Fi hotspot with internet. The commands I think you guys are already familiar with, but you guys can see the example projects even in the IDF framework examples, where we can take the examples from IDF path slash examples slash protocols slash MQTT, and inside which you can find a number of examples, which is SSL mutual auth, TCP, and let me explain the demo with the TCP, and which will be communicated to a MQTT broker, and it will be publishing and receiving the messages.